wrote him a job.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lina and today we continue trading on the Quotex platform. Be sure to watch the video to the end to understand how to open trades correctly. And before we start, I want to recommend you my private Telegram channel where I give you signals. You need to subscribe to the main channel where I post free test signals every day. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already done it, like and turn on notifications so you don't miss the new videos. Let's start. So let's start our trading session. And as usual, add more concepts to make it easier to monitor the market. Today, fairly good interest to open deals. Let's add a couple more, and that will be enough. Add an indicator. It will be an alligator. Change the jaws to yellow. Our bank today will be $50, and let's try to disperse it for a balance that suits us. Let's get started and choose a more profitable concept to open our trade. We will open a trade exclusively in the direction of the trend. And if our base trade is negative, we'll put the trade in the opposite direction for rollback. And if our second trade is negative, we will open 3 additional trades in the direction of the trend again. Let's close our trades so that they don't with us. And let's find a good trade entry. Let's open a short trade and analyze this situation. We see that we have a downtrend. Here we observe a situation similar to the evening star. There was a rollback. There was a rollback in the form of a green candle, and also all our moving lines are directed downward. So let's see what we get out of this. As you can see, the moment has gone down. The market behavior is quite good today. The volatility is good. I like our indicators. And the first trade is positive for us. And we increase our bank a bit. And let's look for the next concept for a more profitable deal. And we will try to accelerate even more, increase our pot to about $500, and then by less peak. Let's open a trade for a fall. We understand that this systematic direction. We see that such a movement is taking place. We will mark the zone for which the price rebounded with a very large shadow. We also see here the intersection of lips with teeth for a fall, and all the moving lines of the indicator went down, and this tells us that the moment should move down approximately to these levels according to the schedule. Our second bet is positive, and let's change the concept pair for a better trade. Here we will go down. I consider a successful entry into this correction. We see that the downtrend now prevails and we set exclusively in the direction of the trend. The moment initially went up, evening start, there was a rollback and the moment went down again. We also see that the all lips of the alligator's jaw teeth are directed down, and based on this, a deal can be opened exclusively for a fall. Let's see what happens. So far, I like the movement of the candle. We deliberately waited until a new candle opens and only the entered into trade another positive path. And let's change the concept path to better enter the trade. Look for a suitable situation and let's waiting. Let's open a down trade here. Consider the situation, see the corridor from which the price rebounded. Mark the support zone and resistance zone formed. Earlier we see that the upward movement prevailed. Then the price stood in one place, and that's to this level. We see that our movement over is crossed, and the alligator opens its mouth for a fall. And based on this, the deal should be put on a fall. Let's see what happened. A support zone has formed here. The candle can easily go up, but one more positive trade. And let's change the concept of find a good entry into the trade. So let's open a down trade here. Again, we stayed on the same concept path. We see that we have formed a support zone. I'll mark it like this. Here we see a resistance zone. At this moment, I think there was a rollback and another zone was formed. I think the price should push down. We can also observe that all the moving lines of the indicator are also directed downwards. And based on the early downward movement with a further uptrend, I think the movement should go down. There is a 100% successful deal. I was sure. So let's change the concept and wait. So let's open a trade for a fall. Here we see that the downward movement prevailed. Then the movement went up, resistance zone formed, and this indicates that our trend is unfolding. A rollback has formed and we see the behavior of our moving indicator lines. They are turning around. Now the intersection should occur and the indicator should turn around and go down. Let's see what happens. So I like the movement of the candle. As I said, here we had a crossover and the movement went down. Perfect. Deal in plus. We already have almost $2,000 on our balance. Pretty good result. Let's choose a concept pair and a good trade. So let's open a down trade here and $700 here. We see that the downtrend prevails. And the resistance zone has formed. The moment has gone down. We can also notice the behavior of our indicators moving line. They all crossed. And I think the moment should go down. Let's see what happened. While I'm glad with the movement of the candle. Here we can see that the jaw of our alligator opened and the movement went down. It was very close. There was a rollback in the form of a green candle formed. This is a rather strange behavior, but we are in the plus. The deal managed to close successfully, and let's change the concept pair and select the most confident deal. I will try to search longer because I don't want to take the risk anymore at the moment. Now let's open deal for an increase. Here we will mark the zone from which the price rebounded. Note a situation similar to a rising star. Here the price moved in this corridor. From that moment there was a decline, mark the resistance zone. We also see a reversal of our moving the line indicator for an increase. And I think in the future they should cross at this point. And this indicates that the movement should go up. So we see a sharp move down here, but I think the move should still go up. One bet in plus. In the last seconds, we did not have time. Little unsuccessfully, so it's okay. Let's see another. Let's pick the next concept pair. I think we're here. We'll go up with you. Let's note this situation. We have already returned to the same concept pair. We see that all the moving lines of the year are directed upwards. Here we see the intersection of all moving lines, and this indicates that the movement should go up. A small rollback was formed earlier, and this confirms the confidence of my signal. On this, the movement should go up to recover approximately to this zone. The breakout has already occurred and will observe this gap. You can see I said there was some growth. Two of our deals are confidently going into plus, and I think we will make one more bet. So let's choose the next concept pair. So let's go for an increase here. We see there we have an ascending tree. And the price was in one place. And this is similar to the situation of a rising star. And all the lines of the indicator moved upwards. So based on this, the moment should go upwards. So we'll have an exit in the form of a green candle. Let's see what happens. There is time, and I think the moment should go up. It's already crossing the line. There was an exit, and our last trade was a plus. Perfect. So on this I can end the trading session. So in conclusion, I want to recommend you my private Telegram channel where I give you signals. You find the link in the description. Of course, nice bonuses will be waiting for you. Thanks for watching. See you later.